Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Tish Marie. So as you guys can see by the title below, today I'm going to be giving you guys a nice glowy summer makeup look. So I'm going to be using some of my favorite summer products to get this nice glowy look that you see me with right now. If you guys are interested in getting this look or just looking for like some product recommendations that are perfect for summer, then make sure you keep watching. So when you guys are getting ready, do you usually do your hair first or do you do your makeup first? I always do my makeup first because I feel like if my hair is down, then it's just like in the way. But what do you do first? Let me know down below in the comments. The first thing that I'm gonna do is prime my skin. So today I'm actually using a new primer. It's not new, but it's new to me because I've never used it. But I'm gonna be using the Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, and this is the illuminating one. The reason that I am deciding to use this is because it's illuminating. So it's gonna give our skin like a nice lit from within look. The step that I actually forgot to mention that you should be doing first before your primer is moisturizing. The key to your makeup, especially for glowy makeup, is to make sure your skin is hydrated. It doesn't matter if you have dry skin, combination skin, oily skin. You want to make sure that you are hydrating your skin, putting that moisture into your skin. All right, so next I am going to be doing a little bit of color correcting, and to do that I am going to be using my Danessa Myricks Colorfix. This is one of the matte color fixes, and this is in the shade Carrot Top. So I have to use an orange to color correct my skin just to like counteract that darkness, like that ashy gray type of look, and I only do it around my mouth. Now you guys, this is extremely pigmented, so I'm only taking a little bit. So in one of my videos, I think it was my Sephora haul where I show you guys some of the Danessa Myricks products that I had purchased, you asked me to use some of the Danessa Myricks products, so that's exactly what I'm going to do, girl. I've got quite a few Danessa Myricks products that I'm going to be using. So now that I've got my color corrector all blended out, I am going to go in with a tinted moisturizer. So the one that I'm going to be using today is the Lip Bars Just a Tint, and I'm using the shade Almond Joy. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know how much I love the Lip Bars Just a Tint. Like, I use this in almost every single look that I do because it is literally just that good. I also have used it on one of my videos here where I featured all of the Lip Bars products. But I love this one, especially for summer and for dewy makeup, because it has SPF 11, so your skin is going to be somewhat protected from the sun. And it also has hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is going to help to moisturize your skin. Also, like I said, it's a tinted moisturizer, so that's perfect for the summer because you don't want the heaviness of a regular foundation. And in the summer, you kind of want to look like, you know, you're just glowing from within. You're not wearing a lot of makeup on your face. If you guys have been looking for a good tinted moisturizer, I would highly recommend this one. And another thing that I like about it is, although it is a tinted moisturizer, you can build it up to the coverage that you want. Like, you can definitely build this up to like medium coverage, but you see how glowy it has my skin looking, like super glowy, right? If you guys are interested in purchasing this, you can pick it up on thelipbar.com. I'll actually leave my link down below for you guys, and you can use my code Tisha Marie to get extra money off. I think it's only like $17 to begin with, and with my code you'll just be saving some extra money, so definitely check it out, girl. Let's move on to the next step. All right, so I don't know about you guys, but even when I'm wearing a tinted moisturizer, I like to have coverage under my eyes because I have like these kind of deep set lines under my eyes, and I like to just cover that up. So I'm going to be using the Nars Soft Matte Concealer, and I'm just going to put a little bit, not too much because I don't want to go crazy with it, but I'm just going to put a little bit of this under my eyes. So for my concealer, I'm literally just blending it out with my fingers, and I'm just tapping, and it's just blending out effortlessly. And to set my under eyes, I am going to be using this Mercier translucent powder. I know everybody has been going crazy over the honey powder. I still haven't tried it, girl. I like translucent, and I'm gonna stick beside her. Press it in. All right, so you see what that Mercier did? Like, it made everything under my eyes look super duper smooth. So, but I don't want to look too matte, and I also want to set what I have on my face right now. So what I'm going to do is take my Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray, and I'm just going to lightly mist my face. All right, so now one of my favorite parts of doing my makeup, I am going to bronze. To do that, I'm going to be using my Danessa Myricks Power Bronzer, and I'm using the shade Deep. And this is how it looks. This is a cream bronzer. I love it because it blends in so effortlessly. And I'm going to lightly just kind of like pat that in and then blend it out. And I love cream products because they give you that glow. So I make sure that I put my bronzer right here, not on the highest point of my cheeks, but like right under that, because I don't want to put it too low because that's going to create like some muddiness in this area that I just don't like. So I'm just going to put it right here, and that's going to make us look nice and sun-kissed, and that's exactly what we're going for our summer. All right, so y'all know that I cannot do a look without using blush. I'm going to be using the Danessa Myricks Vision Flush in Toasted Almond, and I'm going to take this and tap it right here, and then I'm going to use my fingers to blend it in. The powder blush that I'm using to go on top of what I just put down is going to be the Beauty Bakerie Snackaroons blush. This is in the shade Hey Pumpkin, and that cream that I just put down is really going to grab onto the powder. So if you don't get anything else from this video, definitely pick up this product because it is going to be key to achieving the summer glow that we want. The product that I'm about to use is the Danessa Myricks Dew Wet Balm. So this is a cream product. I am using the shade Hot Water, and this is a product that is like nothing else that I have in my collection. So you see it looks wet in the pan, and it's just like, it's almost like not a jelly, but I don't even know how to describe it. But I only need a little bit, so I literally just rub my finger in there like that, and then I tap it on the very high points of my cheeks, and it's gonna give you like that glass skin-like glow. And I also put this like right on the tip of my nose. I also put it right here. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to move on to eyes. For eyes, don't hate me, y'all, because I am going to use two palettes. I was trying to use just one, but I have to use two. So what I'm using is the KKW Beauty Matte Cocoa and the Danessa Myricks Bronze Palette. All right, so from the Matte Cocoa palette, I'm going to take this dark brown shade right here at the top called Bourbon, and I am going to place that on the outer corners of my lid. I'm also going to blend it into the crease, and I'm going to take it to the inner corners too, because I'm going to create kind of like a halo eye. So you don't have to use the exact same shades that I'm using. What I would recommend is that you make sure that you use shades that are warm, because that's the key to keeping this look nice, warm, summer ready. I wouldn't recommend using like anything that's cool toned. We want to look sun-kissed and bronzed. So from the Natasha Denona palette, I am going to be using this shade Bliss. And it is like this really pretty duochrome shade. So all I'm going to do is take my finger and I am going to swipe it right onto the center of my eye. All right, so I went off camera and put on my lashes because I just can't put lashes on while I'm on camera. They will come out looking crazy. Sometimes even when I go off camera and put them on, they still look crazy. For my lip liner, I usually do a KKW lip liner because y'all know how I feel about those. But I decided to give you guys a more affordable option. So I am going to be using the NYX Cosmetics lip liner. And this is just one of their regular lip pencils. And this is in the shade Espresso. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. So remember how I told you guys that the Danessa Myricks products are all multi-use? I'm going to take the Colorfix in the shade Carrot Top again. I'm only going to take a tiny little bit. I'm literally just going to take a tiny little dot and I'm going to tap my finger in it just very lightly, literally that much. And I'm going to use this as a lip color. So I'm going to do a little bit like this. Now I could leave it like this, but I'm going to put a gloss on top of this. So for my gloss, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Topaz, another drugstore product that absolutely hits. So I'm just going to put that right on top. And look at that. Look at how pretty that looks. All right, so I'm going to do my hair and then I'm going to come right back. Y'all, I'm not even about to comb my hair. I'm literally about to be so lazy, right? And just use my fingers to take this down. All right, guys, so this is the final look, but one last thing. So it's summer. We got our summer makeup nice and glowy and ready. We're showing skin, right? We're always showing skin in the summer. What you want to make sure you're doing is protecting your skin. Again, SPF is a major key in the summer. What I'm going to show you guys is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Soul Oil. This has an SPF of 30 in it, and what I love about it is it smells freaking amazing. If you smelled the Bum Bum cream, this literally smells just like it, and it has little illuminating particles in it, so that's kind of what you see like going down the front right there. So I'm literally just going to spray some of this on me. Look at that. You see that? All right, you guys, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this glowy summer ready look. I hope you guys were able to take away some product recommendations from this video, because literally everything I use is pretty much amazing. Also, in the comment section, let me know if you have any staple products that you make sure you use in the summer, because you might have something that I might want to pick up, girl. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on so that you don't miss it anytime your girl uploads. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.